Hey guys, so how you all doing? I wanted to make a very critical video that will really empower you and provide you solution in your life that has never been provided to us on planet Earth. I can guarantee you guys. This is a very critical information that has been hidden away from humanity forever and ever. And today we will uncover this is kind of part 1 of the second part that will really provide solutions on how we can use the power of blood for our own advantage that the dark forces are using against us. And one of the key factors that I can take you through this whole story is William Henry Gates, the giant from Ireland. Do you know this guy? You might not know him, or you may know him, but the problem is the rulers of this world have kept certain information away from us so that we are unable to connect the dots. We have to go back few steps to uncover the giant conspiracy all around us, guys. And this guy is the easiest one to track down to our back history which has been hidden away from us. What if I told you he is an Irish giant? One of it, not the, you know, the size has shrunk a bit, but he has all the characters of us, like how we were back in the day. The elites, the aliens have kept certain elites, the royal family, the royal bloodlines to rule us. These are the pure bloods. We can now use this information for our own advantage, guys. So let me introduce, if you don't know this guy, yes, how about now? Yes, Bill Gates' father. You need to know about him to unravel this guy, guys. This is very critical. Do you know how tall he is? Yes, he is 6 feet 7. You, this may not strike you, because all over the TV, sports NBA players have tall. So you think that being over 6 feet 5 is rare. It is common, but it is rarest of the rare, guys. He is a giant. You, to put things in perspective, percentage of humans taller than 6 feet is only 14.5%. Being an Asian, I have never seen a dude who is 6 feet 7 inches. That is how rare are. And let's see how many people are taller than 6 feet 5. Less than 1% of the world population, guys. He is from a bloodline, who is very rare of the rare, and the fun is just getting started. To put things in perspective and how incredible genetics Bill Gates has, is you will be blown away. Arnold, the Mr. Universe, 7 times Mr. Universe, Mr. Olympia, he is 6 feet 2, guys. Dwayne the Rock Johnson is 6 feet 5, still 2 inches shorter than Bill Gates' father. Martin Lisis, he is the current strongman in the world. He was winning 2019 World's Strongest Man. He is just 6 feet 2. The Thor, half Thor, Julius Johnson, who was a character in Game of Thrones, he is 6 feet 7, and he has broken all the records. He was the strongest man in Iceland, strongest man in Europe, and on and on. He did lot of break, but he has just one genetics that made him tall and strong, but he unfortunately misses the genetics to be as old as 94 and counting, guys. And I can assure you he will cross 100 years and then they will fake his death, because these kind of people never die. They have an incredibly powerful giant genetics from Ireland, guys. Everything, I will prove it today. Everything in your life is related to Ireland, guys. United Kingdom, that it is actually Ireland, the island what we know as, 5 islands like Great Britain, Scotland, etc. This is the key to human everything, not even evolution. And you will never get to have a kid who is a billionaire, one of the richest families. So this is every man's desire, to be as tall as him and be old as him and have money as him. You can ask anybody, any man on earth, he will always wish to be taller, and he will always wish to live over 100 years, and he will always wish to be a billionaire, guys. And these bloodlines have all the three traits that we used to have back in the day, which was taken away. So you can see how rare is to again put his family's genetics in perspective. You will see lot of richest celebrities, sports celebrities, from Money Mayweather to Cristiano Ronaldo to Neymar, the most expensive football player, to Shaq O'Neal. They will always promote it like these people are richer. Or you can go to Hollywood celebrities, from Oprah to Tom Hanks to Robert Downey to all these people don't even come close to what this person has, guys. 102 billion. You can combine the entire world of entire celebrities on earth plus entire wealth of entire sports person on earth. You will not come even 10% closer to $1.102 billion. And the fun is getting just started because he has a red hair genetics, guys. Everything is redheads, nothing else. Redheads, redheads, redheads. Just keep on chanting it. You will be shocked. Yes, he is a ginger. Your life is totally a ginger, guys. Gingers rule you. You were a ginger also one time, but our DNA got, diluted. But gingers are very, very incredibly powerful, guys. Only Bill Gates can invade your privacy. This is very, very critical. You should know how time and space is created. It is physics, guys. Only blood create time and space. How critical this information is to know why this person created Windows. Actually, he did not. He is just a marketing guy. He never wrote a single line of code. He was never passionate about programming. That's why magically he switched into vaccination, because he became a medical doctor, right? How convenient. Before he used to say he was passionate about software programming, then he jumped into being a medical doctor. No, guys, you will accept whatever he says. Whatever a redhead says will be accepted by rest of humanity. You can see his hair. He is a ginger. He was a total redhead. So was the entire royalty of the world. So there is no doubt about it. Bill Gates' father looks like a giant. You can see. He is from a giant family, guys. Entire, royalty. He is a giant, guys. You can see his imposing figure. He is a retired attorney, philanthropist and author. He stands at an imposing height of 6 feet 6 and a huge body mass to carry such a height that makes him look like a giant. If he wanted, this guy could have been Mr. Universe, Mr. World, He is a rare breed, guys. You need to know his father's father, but I couldn't go back further because it is hidden. But if you just see Bill Gates, you will not make sense of how he became the richest. It is not his good looks or his intelligence, guys. It is his blood. Only reason he became the richest and is because his hair is red. Nothing else, period. I will prove it today. If your hair is not red, you will never become $100 billion man. I am sorry if you feel hurt, because money is nothing but to invade your privacy, guys. You have no idea what actually money is. We will today uncover it. People, you won't believe, have Irish ancestry. If you think about Irish, it is redheads, guys. You can delete this and put redhead ancestors, because that UK was totally of redhead giants. Yup, this guy has redhead DNA. The president, believe it or not, out of 44 US president to date, half of them have Irish ancestors. This is what we are able to track, guys, because every president has to have this redhead giant DNA. He has to be from Ireland, guys. This is because otherwise you will not accept what he says. It is very important to know how blood lines are important. Without bloodline, nothing can work. You will not even listen to whatever he says. He cannot invade your privacy. You will not be able to hear him. You see, the king, Elvis Presley, was Irish. The boss, the Don, the greatest, Muhammad Ali, wow, what you would have never guessed. Yes, he had red hair genetics, and Bill Gates, obviously. Even Eddie Murphy and George Carlin, he knew that you ain't in that club because he had Irish DNA and he could easily sense what his other, bloodlines are doing. So he caught them easily. The Empire, James Earl Jones, the rebels. So these redheads are extremely fearless. They are very brave as well. They don't fear anyone. So they are the top breed on earth, guys. Irish people. You may not like it what I am saying, but this is not a politically correct channel. So this is totally, you will feel it being racist, but it is the quickest way to convey the truth. I don't want to beat around the bush because I have lot to cover. Yeah, Neil Armstrong was Irish. I will tell you, everyone that matters in your life and that dictates you has to have a red hair, guys. Period. You will be shocked. And this we can use it in our advantage, how important blood is. Please watch this video I created last year. Your blood creates time and space. That is why the bloodlines are obsessed. They intermarry because blood can invade. If your blood is purer than mine, you can invade my space, guys. That is why Bill Gates' privacy, right? He can steal your life, he can steal your private data. You cannot do anything. He can come and inject you. Do you know how incredibly hard it is to invade your privacy? It is nearly impossible. That's why they created a thing called confession through religion. Now they don't want confession because you are confessing everything to a redhead. If I put a redhead in front of you, you will tell him everything, guys. That's how imposing their bloods are. And you should know actually what money is. Money is vampirism powerful than AI, and why these people are using money to invade your privacy, guys. They don't care about money. They care about your privacy, private life. They want to track and tag you. You may think you are in Himalaya, but they know. They want to know where you are. Yes, even before William Henry Gates was born, his father was hanging with Rockefeller and Turners and Soros, guys. He was a big shot before we even knew who Bill Gates is. That's how far they tracked Bill Gates' family. Make no mistake, this guy is a royal bloodline, guys. The horrible agenda of Bill Gates Foundation, you already know. He is the promoter of COVID vaccine, but unfortunately, it looking more and more like 90% of the people will run to get the vaccine because a redhead is promoting, guys. You and me are like kind of awake and we know the truth about vaccine, but they know if a redhead says you will take it, not you, but 90% of human race will take it, and they are good with the number 90, guys. Anything around 90 is good to go because they can never be able to control 100%. They are good with 90 to 95%, and there is a physics behind it because of the antimatter, but I will explain it later in the video. But you must know this guy has a very powerful blood that can invade your space, guys, because blood creates time and space. When you are born, time and space wraps around your body. Before you are born, there is no time and space. So it is physics, but let's go with the story that will make us understand. So you are already aware of the eugenics agenda, but eugenics agenda is not on the Africans, Indians or Chinese, guys. We are already billions. The eugenics agenda is on the redhead Irish people. I will make a separate video on why the world population should be 50% Irish, at least 5%. They will never ever allow redheads to be more than 2% of the world population. All the elites are redheads, guys. It is very, you will be blown away. I can guarantee you. Please watch this because you will not get this information anywhere. Sorry to sound cocky, but this is very, critical information that we need to use it for our own advantage. It is very, important to know Who are the rulers? Yes, guys. Yes, smartly. It took me a while to figure out, but I now think I'm just making saying it. But what if I told you even Jeff Bezos is a redhead and he is the biggest redhead of all, guys? Rockefeller was almost 3 times richer than Bezos. Rockefeller was a redhead. So is Bezos, guys. These, if you want to talk in billions, you just have to look into the hair, guys. Period. That is why I think they created the, black and white, so you will not figure what these people hair was. So they promote John Rockefeller, John D. Rockefeller, but as I said, to know Bill Gates, you need to look into his father, guys. So to know John D. Rockefeller, the richest man in America, you have to look to his father. And he was called Devil Bill because he was possessed. Only they need to possess a redhead to possess entire world and entire United States of America. He was born William Avery Rockefeller, son of a poor farmer with a fondness of booze, tall and strong. He was, I couldn't find his height, but he was giant as well. Yes, guys, John D. Rockefeller dad was a giant, tall and strong. Devil Bill was an excellent hunter, fisherman. He was a, kind of con artist. He used to sell fake herbal medicine, etc. It doesn't matter, guys. They were all tracked. If you are a redhead, you will be tracked and you wouldn't know when you become the richest man in the world. So you may be a poor Irish farmer immigrant to United States, but suddenly you will become the richest man in the world. And what was his mother, guys? Now it is clearly I couldn't find the hair of John D. Rockefeller, but I easily found out Eliza Davison, a redhead with a prosperous father. Yes, guys, John D. Rockefeller mother was redhead. It is in 80. We already decoded Rothschild, the richest family on earth is a Rothschild means red shield. So the entire that German belt is a redhead, So even John D. Rockefeller mother was a redhead, and you can read all the BS stories surrounding it. Is all BS, guys. They don't care about the stories because humans love stories, drama in life, right? That is why they weave a good story around a redhead. He was a drunken, he was born from poor family, rags to riches, all bullshit. There is no such thing as rags to riches. You will be always in rag if you don't have a redhead, guys. And this is a design, it is all by design. Happy birthday, Mr. Rockefeller. The world's oldest billionaire turns 100. What now he has died. But their genetics is very strong, guys. And I will come to it. They want to keep these genetics at a certain percentage. They don't want to spread this because then Earth will be out of control. Yes, John F. Kennedy also was a red hair. JFK, who Rockefeller remembers as a handsome man with untamable red hair in his autobiographies. Let's go. What one of the biggest families in America was. Here you can see Eliza Rockefeller would seem to be dried up, withered spinster, but in late 1836 she was a slim, spirited young woman with flaming red hair and blue eyes. Flaming, this is the rarest of the rare, guys. You are less than 0.01%. Even red hair is the rarest, but to have red hair and blue eyes is like you have no idea. You are already an elite, by default. Most of the Nordic aliens who are managing Earth have this genetics, guys. Even if you find, I will tell how you can become a billionaire. I know how this sounds, but you will know, but it is much diluted. But everything has to do, entire planet history has to do with this, guys. Red hair and blue eyes. Nothing. Your talent, your IQ doesn't count. I am sorry if you feel offended, but your bloodline does. Godfrey Louis Rockefeller. One trait you need to tag is number of babies they have, guys. It is unbelievable. This is what the agenda is, eugenics. They don't want Scottish, Irish people to have babies more than is required. Most of the Irish people breed like rabbits, and that is a very, very good thing for planet Earth because The more redheads you have on earth, the more the energies of solar system and cosmic energies come, because red color is healing, guys. I will make a total scientific video and physics video on it, but right now I am telling you a story so you will understand. But my next video will be totally a physics part of it, why Mother Earth and why women should continue, like, redhead women should have more children, but they will not allow redheads to have it more than 1% of the population. They will not allow redheads to be 5%, guys. 5 is a magical number. Always they will try to destroy the Irish race, the redheads. It stabilizes. There is a reason why there is earthquakes and volcano. If you take 1,000 redheads to Indonesia, I guarantee you guys, there will not be any earthquake and volcano exploding. But I will make a separate video on it, how having more redheads on earth heals planet earth, guys, because most of the energy of even sun is 90% infrared healing energy. So that can be sucked up by these redheads, but they don't want it after a certain level. Rockefeller family, yes, Scottish, Irish, guys. The richest family in America is Irish. Scottish, there is no Scottish, Irish, still it is it is British actually. The entire Britain was Irish, Scottish, the Gaelic people. They never spoke English. JFK's siblings, yes, John F. Kennedy was Irish as well. You can see they have minimum 10 to 11 children, guys. That is what these people fear the most. You can see John F. Kennedy, he was one of the most loved families in America and the world. Even in India, people liked him a lot, and you can see how many children his siblings had. He had total of 10 siblings, and his brother, Robert F. Kennedy, even now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see 11 kids, guys. This is the good thing to have actually. You should have, if you are a redhead, you should have more and more babies to stabilize planet Earth. I know how crazy it sounds, but let me make a separate video on it. How Kennedy family was ritually murdered, because redheads are good for only 2 things, guys. Ritually murdered or being a royal. That's it. Why do you think Irish Americans were, discriminated? Irish women were sometimes stereotyped as reckless breeder. Again, dehumanizing Irish woman for reckless. It is not. It is actually a very, very good things to breed as much as redhead as possible, and it is nature at work, guys. You have no idea how they control planet Earth and how chaotic planet Earth is, because you need red color to stabilize any situation, any place, guys. They have gotten hold of red, so that is why our life is shittier. Irish people are more fertile than almost all of our European peers, and it is even now, guys, 2017. Irish people are by far the biggest fertile women in the Europe, but I would say it is in the entire planet. But they are not allowing Irish people to breed. Ireland birth rate down 25% compared to Celtic Tiger period. It is all by design. They don't want redheads to breed like rabbits and stabilize planet Earth and heal planet Earth, guys. You have no idea how powerful redheads genetics and DNA is, which is what our true genetics is, guys. I will come to it, but the eugenics agenda is not, because Chinese and Indians and Africans are 60% of the world population. It is a scam, guys. They don't want Caucasian, to breed like rabbits. They are scared shit of Irish people dominating, and they have done it. Yes, Great Famine. When Irish people were growing in numbers, they destroyed half of the Irish people, guys. They want you to only know certain history going back 400 and 500 years, as long as it suits the narrative. I was never taught in school that there was even famine in United Kingdom. We were always taught that, Irish UK people were living in royalty and they were super rich and etc. etc. People were suffering in United Kingdom. They were being murdered, in millions, guys. This is by far the biggest genocide than Armenian or what Chairman Mao or Stalin did, or the massacre of slavery of blacks or Native Americans. The highest number of people murdered on planet Earth was Irish guys. Half. They destroyed half of the people. Population of Ireland. This I couldn't connect the dot. It just like I was thinking why it did this. It is good to have redheads. Because they can expand it. No, guys. After a certain level, thing change because 5 is a magic number. I will come to it. The physics of it, why they destroyed Irish people. It is physics. It has nothing to do with food supply. It is everything to do with pure unadulterated science. They cannot let Irish people cross a certain limit, guys. It is 5%. Actually, redheads can never be, but we need to make sure redheads cross that magical number of 5. Then the saw will turn, the tide will turn on our favor. They will always make sure that bloodlines of the Illuminati is only 13, They want to preserve that pure bloodline, population of Ireland. If this line went up and up, humanity will not reach where it is today, guys. We will already be free. If more and more redheads are on planet Earth, the less and less pain, because red is healing. Red is the center of energy, guys. Red is the color of God. I will make a scientific video on it. But these people don't want, and all the gods were redheads, guys. I will come to it. All the gods were Irish. These are the people. You see this third eye, it is red. He doesn't want you to have red head. Sorry, third eye. But these people are the one we have been fooled into Rockefeller and Rothschild and Bill Gates. They are puppets, guys. You know it already being in conspiracy, but we shouldn't be distracted by our real enemy, and these are the reptiles. They know if they teach you English, if they teach you computers, if they teach you you will not even listen. If this guy tells, sheeps, please have vaccines, you will not even take it. You will not even care. But if Bill Gates says to have vaccine and please sit in front of Windows computer so I can steal your privacy, you will do it, because red heads have overpowering DNA. It overrides your space, guys. That is why these people control the bloodlines, and they don't want that bloodlines to be impurified, diluted. They want to keep that bloodline, and they don't even want that bloodline to expand. As soon as people, Irish people start breeding, like making more babies, they create famine and destroy. So if you are an Irish, please have more babies for the sake of humanity. I know how this sounds, but I am saying it comically, but there is lot of physics behind it. Yes, guys, all the bloodlines are redheads, nothing else, pure redheads. They all have pure Irish DNA running, and they want to keep it at 13. It will never go to 14. It will come 5. 4 is better, but it will never be 14 bloodlines. You can take it from me even after 1000 years. It will never be 14 bloodlines. All the bloodlines, Rockefeller, Rothschild, they intermarry, they do all their crap among them. The Kennedy bloodline, Astor. It is by design. These people are held hostage, guys. I know how this sounds, but these are the real people that we need to worry about. These people would go away once the real hidden rulers of the planet Earth, the Cheetah-Huris. As I said, that is why they never cared when Kennedy was murdered in the plain sight. It is a ritual, guys. It affects people living in India, like I am living in remote corner of India, Philippines, Japan. When a redhead is murdered in the open, it affects your time space, guys. That is why redheads are good for only 2 things for these people: ritual and royalty. Rosemary baby, Ross is red, guys. Religion, ritual and royalty. All the redheads are good for being a billionaire or being a child eating babies. They love eating redhead babies. They love sacrificing redhead babies at certain points of planet Earth so that it brings the frequencies down. They don't want to eat Chinese babies, guys. They don't want Indian or African babies. They are only after red red-haired, red babies, because it has incredible power, guys. It can invade your reality. It is very, very powerful. I will make a video, because the biggest myth, the biggest scam, the biggest fraud on earth is people think English came from Great Britain. That is, you should clear this, guys, once and for all. I am repeating it because to connect the dots, but you have no idea what actually this place is. This place is the land of giants, guys. All the tall people, it is also by design, but they were pushed here. Great Britain was not even speaking English. You can see, we were taught in school that the native language of Britain is English. Nothing could be further from the truth. It came from Germans. England, this place was invaded and the natives were murdered in millions, guys. As we read here, the English people are an ethnic group of nation native to England. Fake. The English identity is of early medieval origin, when they were known in Old English as Angelician, family of Angles. Their ethnonym is derived from the Angle, one of Germanic people who migrated to Great Britain. Germanic tribes migrated to Great Britain and they formed what we know as English language, etc. guys. Anglo-Saxons. The Anglo-Saxons established the Kingdom of England, and the modern English language owes almost half of its words, including the most common words of everyday speech, to their language. So you see, English was not spoken. It was one of the tribes called Angles, from where we get English language. But why, guys? Why they forced English on the Irish redheads? It is a trillion dollar question. You need to know. It is like between life and death and your evolution and space travel. Without knowing this, you will not be even able to travel into space. This is very important to know. This is the Celtic language, Do you see these lines? This is the native script of people of United Kingdom. English came like 700 to 1000 years ago. Like for thousands of years, hundreds and thousands of years, nobody spoke English in England, guys. You should know. Do you see any connection between A, B, C, D and what the Irish people used to speak? It is very, very critical. But why? Why they forced English into natives, guys? It is very, very critical to know. You can see Celtic language tree. All the natives of British people spoke Celtic. You can see Gaelic, Cornish, Britain. So these are the derivatives. So you can see Welsh, Pictish, Irish. So it is totally different from what you know as English, But when you type native language of Britain, you will think it is English, right? That is how they smartly brainwash us. You can see Donald Trump probably learned Gaelic from his mother. I can bet you, if you ask anyone in US what is mother tongue, he will jump and say it's English, right? Even I didn't know. But when I researched, I was shocked that even Donald Trump is Irish tall, and he's from the DNA of giants. That is why all the US presidents are giants, guys. They have to be tall, and they have to be Irish, and they have to speak Gaelic. They should have a Gaelic DNA, right? That is why Trump is so powerful, guys. His qualification is not his good looks or his hair or, how he was a billion. His qualification is his blood, guys. He has an incredibly powerful blood to invade your space. That is a very technical word, but now I know why I was actually shocked when they brought, and you will be shocked how White House is exactly at 77 parallel, guy, and 77 frequency is red color. So this guy, he is not going away, and I can assure you today, you can take a screenshot. You will see incredible changes in United States of America. A new dawn is coming to America. Whenever they bring redheads in front, you can expect a huge change in the place, guys. Incredible change. Why did English language become a global language? When Spanish is spoken more than English and Mandarin, How did they achieve English? Because it is a very, very powerful language. It's an alien technology, guys. Because this has what none other has. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. I will make a separate video what vowels actually are and how it relates to number 5. There are 5 vowels. There can never be 4 or 6 vowels. And if you add the numbers like numerologically, it comes to, yes, the Freemasons' favorite number 6. A, E, I, O, U, when you add it, it comes to 6. And with that 5, I took me a while to figure out, but 5 is a magical number, guys. And it goes to auto tuning and etc. But I will come to it. Why they forced English on planet Earth to control your reality, guys. We know Tamil is the oldest language. By why, guys? Why Tamil? And most of the words in English are, as my one of my viewer Karthi has also said, he knows that most of the words are loaned in English, is loaned from Hindi, Tamil, Sanskrit, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, etc. So it is not pure English, but it has one thing, the structure, guys. Structure is marvelous. It has A, E, I, O, U and other structures that will explain, that can easily borrow from other language, but it will still keep its identity. But still Tamil will never be spoken. I can guarantee you, guys. Spanish may be the most spoken language. Mandarin is by far the largest speaking. And Tamil is the oldest, we know for a fact. But global language will always be English. Why? Because redheads speak English. Yes, guys. Unfortunately, Tamil will never be worldwide language because redheads don't speak English. Tamil, guys. Redheads speak English. That is why it has become a global language. I know how this sounds, but you will understand it very soon. Red, whatever this color, this is, it is the central frequency of sun, you can say. I will simplify it. And whatever these people do, you will do it automatically. It's magic, guys. Red is 5. 5 is red. It is the central frequency. It is the infrared frequency that heals you. So they forced the Irish people to learn English. If they forced Irish people to learn Tamil, we all will be speaking Tamil. The Chinese billionaires are sending their kids to learn English in America because redheads are speaking English. That is why they forced Kuhn's English, how English became the global language. Because redheads are speaking English, guys. The expansion of the British Empire and the further spread of the English language. You can see she is obsessed with the red color. Queen Elizabeth is, she is a redhead. We have already discussed it. So they need to teach her English. Then only you will accept, English language. So it is very, very important to know why they destroyed Irish, culture, Irish religion, and forced Irish people to start speaking English. Because if Irish redheads don't speak English, I will not speak English. I know how crazy, but I will come to the scientific thing of it. It will make no mistake, guys. English will be the language, no matter how many Chinese people are on planet Earth. It will be the global language. Unless the redheads start speaking Gaelic and Mandarin. If redheads start speaking Mandarin, you will see the magic happening on it. You can see Irish giants. So back in like 300 years back, like in 1700s, you had giants in Ireland, but this is hidden. It is not much, you have to search it. But like the further back you go, the bigger giants you find in Irish mythology. And it is the only island which has the highest number of mythology on giants, guys. So you can see they have giant's statue in Ireland. So you can see it is said that you haven't truly visited Conmera until you have touched the hand of Conmera giant. There were a lot of giants in Ireland during that time. So all Bill Gates and all the billionaires of planet Earth are descendants of giants, because these blood can override your existence, guys. They have more powerful and purer blood than what we have right now. You can see Irish giants of 1700. Patrick Cotterer, Charles Bryant. So this is his bone that is kept in a museum. You can see other famous Irish giants, the Portuguese giantess Edmund Maloney, James MacDonald. Most of the kings, were huge giants during that day. You can see. It is often claimed that the legendary Irish king Brian Boru, who died in 1114, was himself a giant. So they have magically scrubbed all these giants from Irish and world history, but kept Bill Gates family, etc., bloodlines. That is why Stonehenge is in Britain, guys. And it is in the southern, it is not in the present day Ireland. It is in the southern part of Great Britain. As you can see, it's here. Because the entire land of Great Britain, as we know, was run over by giants. They built the Stonehenge, but we know this is fake right now. But there was structure like this back in the day, and there were many huge structures that was destroyed. But you can see they have put cement and all. So, but there was a structure, guys. Giants built lot of structures, but these people, reptilians, are far beyond. So they manipulated it. Now it is fake, but there were lot of stuff created by giants in land of giants located in Ireland. Studies suggest all tales of Irish giants had grain of truth. You can read the story, guys, but I am not interested in stories. We need to connect the dots and move on. But it is a fact there were giants on Ireland, and Bill Gates is one of them. And this is the biggest comedy of all, guys. You will not believe. Bill Gates tops Forbes rich list again, but the young bucks are gaining. What if I told you? Musk to Gates to Zuckerberg, all are redheads, guys. They are embarrassing us. There is no such thing as richest, guys. They should delete this, and they should instead write the 400 redheads are significantly richer into 2013. There is no such thing as Americans being rich, because we know 1% of Americans control 90% of the world, and all the 1%ers are redheads now, from Rockefeller to Rothschild, and they have smartly hidden his ancestry, guys. This Mark Zuckerberg is very much clearer, but it took Bill Gates and one of the richest, like the present day richest man. Yes, this guy has smartly shaved his head, so you can imagine how hard it is to find his ancestry, because his father, you will see as a Cuban immigrant, Bezos, but his actual father is Ted Jorgensen. Jorgensen, you can see his surname is from Nordic, so he has having Nordic bloodline. So I think and his mother is, it is very, very difficult. They have scrubbed the, color pictures of his parents, etc. But in some, you can make out that his mother was pure redhead, guys. I managed to find his childhood pictures, and you can see, you will think that you will be confused. You will imagine that he, being a Jew, they tell you that he might be having black hair. No, guys, he was a pure redhead. You can see here. It is clearly visible. There is some adjustment of, you will say that chromatic, chrome color adjustment of Nikon or Canon camera during that time. It is same for Bill Gates also. Here it is clearly visible in his school days. Nothing could be more auburn reddish than this image. But before 5,000, 10,000 years, there were pure red color, guys, and that is very, very powerful. And we need that red color back on earth, guys. We shouldn't dilute this. You have no idea. With this color itself, they are able to create billionaires to dominate our life. The only reason you are buying stuff from Amazon is a redhead is the head of it. If he sells, as I said, vaccine, you will inject it. If he sells crap, McDonald, that is why Ronald McDonald is a redhead. You will buy unconsciously. Even I brought, you can see here, Jeff Bezos, he's a redhead. Here it is clearly, you can see he has a red color. Here also, 10 things about Jeff Bezos you probably didn't know. So he is absolutely does not have a black hair or blonde hair. It is very much into auburn and ginger. You see Bill Gates, the same hair color, guys, same. And for Zuckerberg, it is a meme how Zuckerberg is a ginger head. So there is no doubt about Mark Zuckerberg being a ginger. Even the mainstream media, Guardian even writes it. He is 24 on the short side, shy in the way that short ginger haired people often are. You can see Mark Zuckerberg is a ginger head. So he is a billionaire, I can assure you. Even Hitler and Elon Musk. And this guy was biggest proponent of eugenics agenda. He banned people getting redheads getting married. I will make a video on it. But why, guys? The biggest eugenics, biggest genocide was on redhead people. He banned marriage between redheads. And we need that. We need redheads to marry so that they be on our side. 5 is the key number, guys. They don't want redheads to be all around us. Newly released top secret files reveal Adolf Hitler was a ginger. He cannot be otherwise because people will not listen to his crap, guys. Whatever redhead says, unconsciously you will do it. Guarantee it. That is physics of it, nothing else. Bill Gates secretly dictates global food policy too. You can be 100% sure your food supplies are going to get shittier because it can invade your reality. The food you buy will magically become bad, guys. I had suffered a lot. I couldn't figure out. No matter where I go, I end up in place where there is McDonald's in front of me. And during that time, I will feel hungrier. So I will not have any choice but to, buy crap from McDonald's. I used to think why I'm ending in such places, Gates Fund organization defend Gates funded UN envoy. So you can read, you already know because we are going beyond it because his fingerprints are all over it, guys. Gates Foundation revolving door to Monsanto. He is totally into vaccines, GM food and software production. Gates specialty, philanthro capitalism. You have good word to describe him. Gates medical plan. It is not because of his intelligence, guys. Please take this away from your consciousness that Gates is special. He has good IQ or he because of his good looks or his billions. Only reason they are promoting Bill Gates is because of his blood and nothing else. That is why all the top billionaires are redheads. Elon Musk to Mark Zuckerberg to all the Jeff Bezos. You can see. Unfortunately, guys, I am very sorry to tell you, it is looking more and more that 90% of the world population will get eventually injected with medicine because we are kind of late because this guy became a proponent of global vaccine like 15 years ago and during that time we didn't have the knowledge to connect. Magically, you need to have certain passion to write software codes as they projected him to be that nerd. Since when did that passion change into a global vaccination, marketing guru? It is crazy, guys, how quickly they made him from a software nerd to a eugenicist, because he never was a nerd. He never wrote. Many people say that you already know if you are in software industry that he copied, Macintosh and Lotus were far superior. IBM, he stole everything. No, guys. IBM didn't have redheads, nor did Macintosh computers. Only redheads can invade your privacy. That is why there is lot of concern about privacy being stolen, and you are literally doing it in Facebook because Zuckerberg is a redhead and you are confessing all your truths online. You have to do it. You have to confess whatever you have done. It is nothing but a form of confession, guys. They want to track every move of you. So this, you may not feel it, but 90% of the people are hypnotized due to his bloodline, guys. And unfortunately, since he is promoting it, many people will take it, guys. So I am not sure how successful we are because I am sure that I am not a redhead. So no one will listen to me. I know how this sounds, but we can override it with physics, guys. Physics is ultimate. It is beyond bloodline. But right now the things are this way that they need a redhead to invade your privacy. If it was a black person, nothing will happen, guys. They know if it was a Chinese, Japanese, normal Polish American. It cannot be French American, it has to be an Irish guy, Irish American with red hair. Only he can invade your privacy because blood creates time and space. US soldiers claim to have shot and killed 12 feet giant in Afghanistan. Red-haired giants mummy found in Nevada. As you can see, all the giants were red hair, guys. There were no such thing as black hair back in the day. Like thousands of years back, all the humans had red heads. We all had red heads back in the day. Our bloods are now diluted because even C.A. Boltier says, a scientist, that it was only in the 15th century that we had blood groups, because of iron load. We have a lot of iron in our blood. That is why we have A positive, B positive, A, B and C. Only real blood is AB negative, guys. AB blood. And that is what the blood of Bill Gates, etc. is. AB blood is the most powerful, RH negative, etc., etc. So that is very, very powerful, and they don't want to share that blood. That is why Muslims dye their hair red. You might have been, when you went to Middle East, in Pakistan or a Muslim majority country, you might be always thinking why, Muslims are obsessed with dyeing their hair red. Why do they do that? Because this will come to a shocker, because Prophet Muhammad was a redhead guy, guys. He was an Irish, he had red hair, guys. He was not from native Arab. You can see, why did Prophet Muhammad start using henna in his latter day? Starting after the age of 40, he began to dye his graying beard to red to gain more youthful appearance, as Prophet Muhammad himself was reported to have natural red hair. He was a redhead. Now you know why people accept Sharia law. I am sorry, guys, but if he was a redhead and if he talked about Sharia, people will follow, people will die for him, because Prophet Muhammad has invaded their consciousness, invaded their private space, guys. You have no idea what actually privacy means. It is invading your private space time continuum, guys. It's physics. Only a redhead can do that, and you can do whatever you want. It is looking more and more like Londonistan, right? UK will become Sharia country because their leader was a redhead. You can see red hair is still honored among Muslims, as the Prophet Muhammad himself was reported to have a red hair. It is a done deal, guys. This image is said to be of actual hair from the beard of Prophet Muhammad. This one in Turkish as the Sakal-e-Sarif. The beard was said to have been shaved from Muhammad's face by his favored barber Salman in the presence of Abu Bakr and several hair. But they will not allow it to genetic, because if you do genetic, it will go back to an Irish guy. So they don't want it. This politically incorrect ethnic revelation helps to explain why millions of Muslims today, some being of sub-Saharan African origin with black hair, also dye their beards with red henna. The Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islamic religion, was apparently fair-skinned, a freedom by the name of Umar described by Prophet thus: his face was not fat nor rounded, it was white tinged with red. So you can see how incredible influence a redhead guy has. He was a giant also, has on the population of humans, guys. As you can see, we have already discussed this, like most of the Egyptian mummies have red hair. It cannot be otherwise, guys. It's physics. It has nothing to do with story and drama. I will come to the physics, why the aliens are obsessed with putting royalty as red lines, guys. Red blood. Because you will not listen to a Anunnaki if he tells you to do certain things. You will not do Sharia law if a alien tells you. You will follow democracy. You will follow Bill Gates. You will buy mobile phone. You will log into Facebook. You will buy Tesla. You will do everything. You will dance. When a redhead say, literally, guys, I am not making it up. It is so powerful. You will literally dance to the tune of a redhead. During her lifetime, Asha, Prophet Muhammad's wife, translated as reddish, redhead, fair. You can go through it. How Did Prophet Muhammad have red hair? Yes. There are few scriptural narrations that suggest that he had red hair, and that was tall in height for an Arab at that time. He was a giant, guys, redhead giant from Ireland. They had to, aliens, the Anunnaki had to send a red hair guy for the Arab world to listen to him, guys. Otherwise, people will not believe in Sharia law and all the. I'm not belittling anyone. It is what it is. It is exactly for, all religions, Christianity or Islam or Hinduism or Buddhism. It has to do with alien agenda, guys. It has to do with invading your privacy. So we come to Chinese pyramid. You are already aware the entire mummies buried below are redheads. It is proven thing. There were no Chinese, people buried in mummies. It is all Caucasians, guys, all redheads. It is a fact, but it is not been marketed as such. DNA reveals these redhead Chinese mummies came from Europe and Asia. They are all blown from Ireland, guys. You will be shocked. It's Mac mummy, Chinese unearthed 4,000-year-old mummy with ginger hair. You can see. Now you know the biggest thing. Red hair roots. Redhead mummies, China's ancient secret unveiled. That is why these people are hell-bent on not uncovering or not discovering. These pyramids are 2 to 3 times bigger than Egyptians, guys. Because once you uncover this and once you see the, mummies, they all will have Caucasian redhead mummies. That is why China is red, guys. Now you know why Chinese are obsessed with red color. Because their entire history was built by a red hair, Caucasian, blue-eyed guys. Otherwise, people will not accept communism or anything. It has to be a redhead. You need to know that. That is why it is red China. People are obsessed. Chinese are obsessed. Why do Chinese people like red? It is not because of drama. There is a deep scientific reason behind it, guys. Why Chinese people are obsessed with redhead? Because their rulers were Caucasian redheads. Because it comes down to physics, guys. But since the video becomes very long, so my next video will be on the physics behind it. Why the aliens get hold of redhead and they can control the entire humanity. They don't have to control you, guys. They have to control a specific frequency of electromagnetic spectrum called red color, which has certain properties which can control. You can see lower frequency, higher frequency. It can control the entire existence basically, guys. But it is physics part. So far I have told you a good story, guys, because humans love a good story, but behind it is pure physics. I will come to this, why they control red people and why the royalty is all red haired, why all the gods and goddesses, all the billionaires from Elon Musk to Bill Gates are redhead, and how you can use that to your own advantage, So I will make a video on it, but these people are not gone anywhere, guys. So we have to be ready for a final battle. I know how this sounds, because unless we have our place on Earth or on the galaxy, you can say goodbye to this center third eye. They will never ever allow this red eye, guys, because your third eye is red in color. It can see all the spectrum, guys. This guy can see your past, present, future. It can see through all the disease when exactly you are going to die. That is why this red color of the third eye is, because it can, if he even, Credo Mutwa says that if this guy looks at you when he opens third eye, you will die, because of the intensity of infrared radiation that will penetrate your skin. So these are they don't open it more often, but when they do, your end is near. So we have this, guys. I know I will make a video. Certain things I found, food of the gods, if you take that pure one, you will feel in the center of your brain, your third eye is getting activated. But these people will come to know. That is why they want to track you through Windows and Facebook, etc. So I am very sure that very soon we will have this third eye coming once we know what actually red means. And in next video I will explain the scientific reason behind it, etc. guys. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.